Ka office district sports free boy rengkat ka office DC kila penlong ya ka jing Rakhe shit rehem ya ka singi bakarpang ki Samla International Youth Day Hasin Pauls Parish Hall Nongpoh ha ka khat ar tarik nailar. Kamat kersiu ha ka ni ka jing Rakhe ka long ka jingkiu bon sertap ki Samla ha ka jing trelang rengkat ka technology youth advancing multilateral cooperation through technology and partnerships. Hagani kajing Rakhe la chimbanta do DC Dr. Abhishek Saini, ba Jonathan Marbanyang, District Informatics Officer, ba Bobby L. Nongbet DSO, ki khana school bar ki Samla Puli College na keleng kani ka district. Kajing thumu jong kani ka sngi ka long ban kenting ki Samla shi kenjang bahajrong, ha kajing nang jingtip, ka kor ka buram bat ha ka roy ka pa, ha ka imlang salang. Ki Samla ki long ki atiar ba klan bor na ka banta kalawi.
Just have a moment of disputing in exchange participants with viewers and viewers. You have done a wonderful job. To get you all through the paintings reveal the Meghalaya di Bapag, Khuborjylla, dengan tempat di bawah distrik dan baru juga interest. You can also do the audience appreciates this painting in Meghalaya. Please know, we'll also hear from someone who are sharing this experience.
And you are doing what now?
Thank you so much,
Scribbling. I'll just write a note for you.
Also, from this youth exchange program,
honestly, I still feel, and I think that, how did a girl like me even get here? It really feels like a dream come true. From watching them perform on big stages, to now standing on them, on the same stage myself. Life really has its own way of surprising you. But slowly the excitement turned into responsibility. Because now we weren't only, representing ourselves. We were carrying the Northeast with us and in many ways representing India. Through all of this, one thing I really understand is that you don't always need to be the most talented person in the room, to make a difference. You don't always need a special talent to create change. Sometimes all you need is a good heart, a willing mind, and a positive attitude. So wherever you are, whatever you're good at, this is your time. Show up, give your best, and don't be afraid to start small.
Great to see that under the Chief Minister's Youth Engagement Program, so many of you got the chance to give great performances at the block level, at the district level, national level, and as shared by one of the youth at the international level as well. In Meghalaya, the median age is 20.1 years, while at the national level in India it is 29 years. So means Meghalaya is a much younger state as compared to all the other states of the country. And that is where our advantage lies, and that is where our power lies. And that's why it's very important for our youth to go on the right path, to channelize their energy properly. So I just like to give a few messages. The first one being that, when you are studying, when you are playing, whatever activity you are doing, make sure you do the activity with a purpose. And you should always stay away from the evils, from the distractions that are there. A lot of our youth, because of some reasons, might be falling prey to the ills of drugs and other abuses. So my first request to all of you would be to simply say no to drugs. That is very important, because at your age there are many things at the friend circle, among peer pressure, a lot of reasons. Someone might tell you, we can try this, we can try that. You simply have to say no, because in the moment you might think you are missing out something. There's a term called FOMO, fear of missing out, among the youth. But you must realize that the present FOMO is nothing compared to the damage such things, such evils will do to you in the long run. So do not worry about the FOMO, but make sure you say no to such evils. And channelize your energy properly. Play a sport. I always say that every one of you should pick up any one sport and try to get at a professional level, whether it is your district level, state level, and if you are really good, you can go up to the national level also. And our government has so many great policies. We have the direct recruitment policy also, whereby if you win a medal in any of the national or the international events, you get a direct recruitment as a government job. So your future is also secure when it comes to sports. And always make sure that your studies go hand in hand, because whatever you are doing, your studies will give you the fruits, will give you the results later on in life. And always respect your parents, listen to them, your teachers. Sometimes they might be a little strict. It might seem that they are imposing a lot of restrictions on you, but later on in life when you grow up, you will realize that whatever your parents, your teachers are saying to you, they are telling you to do, is everything for your own benefit. Because the only real people who really want to see you do even better than them are your parents only.